At 24 years old, almost everyone believes the same lie.
They think wealth begins with a big paycheck. But wealth often begins with one small decision, repeated every month.
Meet Ethan and Ryan. Same age, same salary, same daily routine.
If you met them today, you'd never guess. Their futures would be completely different. 40 years pass faster than most people realize. The other keeps working because stopping simply isn't an option.
The biggest difference wasn't income. It was one tiny monthly habit.
Small actions, repeated consistently, can quietly transform an entire lifetime.
Your first investment doesn't just grow money, it changes your identity.
Every great fortune begins with a seed almost everyone ignores.
Real wealth grows quietly, while most people stop paying attention. One person spends today. The other quietly buys tomorrow. Time is the one asset you can never earn back. Compounding starts slowly, then becomes impossible to ignore. Growth doesn't happen in a straight line. It accelerates.
Small choices create completely different futures.
Automation beats motivation almost every single time.
The hardest step isn't investing, it's deciding to begin.
Time is the one ingredient money can never replace.
The difference isn't earning more. The difference isn't earning more. It's starting sooner.
Your biggest financial enemy usually isn't the market. It's procrastination. Every monthly investment becomes another step toward financial freedom.
Consistency makes small actions powerful. The longer you leave your investments alone, the stronger they become. Then one day, everything quietly changes.
From this point forward, patience becomes your greatest financial advantage.
Your portfolio is no longer waiting for you. It's working with you. While you sleep, compounding never takes a day off.
Every month you delay gives time one more chance to leave without you.
Success rarely comes from knowing more. It comes from starting sooner.
Investing isn't about storing money. It's about putting money to work.
One simple habit can trigger decades of financial momentum.
Eventually, your investments begin flowing faster than your effort.
The market rewards patience far more often than prediction.
Wealth usually arrives quietly, long before anyone else notices. The greatest financial advantage isn't talent. It's staying invested long enough to let time do the heavy lifting.
Financial freedom isn't built in one day. It's built through thousands of ordinary days.
Every small contribution adds another layer to your future.
Every automatic investment builds another piece of the bridge to your future.
Consistency quietly turns effort into momentum.
The person who starts early doesn't need perfect timing, only patience.
Real wealth begins to accelerate when time joins your side.
The years will pass either way. The question is whether your money grows with them.
The reward isn't just more money. It's more freedom to choose how you spend your time.
The future belongs to someone who starts today and keeps going tomorrow. The most powerful investment decision is the one you never have to make twice. Your direction matters far more than your starting point.
Every month you stay consistent becomes another step toward lasting wealth.
Time rewards the people who give it something to grow. The goal isn't to watch your money every day. It's to let it quietly work for you.
Small beginnings become extraordinary when patience does the heavy lifting.
The biggest difference between people isn't opportunity. It's the decision to begin.
Every contribution gives you a bigger stake in tomorrow's economy. Years from now, you'll either thank yourself for starting or wish you had. The best day to start was years ago. The next best day is today. Let time become your greatest financial partner.